We'll continue with the different aspects of CSS. In this one, we're going to experiment with formatting text. There are a lot of variety of ways you can format text. I'm just going to show you some, and you can experiment with the rest yourself. The first ones you see in the body here, we're in the external style sheet, the example 4 CSS. These I've shown before: the font style, bold, font size 20, the color of the font, green, text line left. These are very classical things. I'm going to do a little different things. Text transform, uppercase, going to make all the letters uppercase. You can do lowercase and so forth. Color, just a different color. I've typically used the word for colors, but you can of course use hexadecimal. This is presented in the entities section about measurements and so forth in the CSS lecture. And then italics and so forth. Text decoration is a bunch of different things. I do a line through, line under. You can do different types of things. And then you can also affect the letter spacing, closer or tighter together, closer together or further apart. And you do closer together by using a minus. So we'll see how we can make the text look kind of crazy here. And of course you could set different typefaces if you want the actual font that you use. So I've done these as well with, as you're probably hopefully coming familiar, classes. So we look at the actual code where I use them, and then it's just a bunch of p tags with text, lorem ipsum text used in examples. And I use the different classes to show the text and then what it looks like. Everything was green. Here we see with the transform to uppercase and that grayish color, purple grayish color. I present hexadecimal. And then we see the text is very close together. And then here we see the text is extremely far apart. So, and then finally, the text at the bottom here is crossed through. So these gives you some ideas as to how to experiment with formatting text. So as usual, download the code, copy, experiment with formatting text with CSS.